Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every day, every trading day, that is, and it's great to have you with me. We've got a lot going on today. I just put out a video and I'd like your reaction on it. And like to get your thoughts on it. So if you haven't yet just watched this video, I'm going to put it in the chat. It's only 5 minutes long. There it is. I like the text on the Lucid short video. The video you just watched, what do you think of the text? That is not a short video. That is a long form video. The link I've just given you, just go and watch it. It's only 5 minutes. I'd like your thoughts on it, please. Whether you like the text on it. Anyway, let me know. Let's get straight into the trades and see how we're doing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Here we go. And bring the information that you need up on the screen. Here we go. The ticker and all the links below. And hi, ETORO. Who was here first this afternoon? Welcome to you, ETORO. Welcome indeed. Welcome everybody on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok, and of course at the home of our channel here on YouTube. What a day today. Opportunities all over the place. If you know where to find them, there's always an opportunity to make money. This is my position right now. Arrival. I think this is a complete scam now. Awful, awful, awful company. A 50 reverse split, and yet it's gone down again. Big time now, 34% since the reverse. So it looks like, you know, it's still 393. It's only just a penny stock. Are you kidding me? It's 50 times reverse split. So 393. Let's just do a quick sum, shall we? Do a quick sum. 393. $3.93 divided by 50. It's 7 cents a share. Look at that. So I think now Arrival is as good as dead. It's not worth anything. I wouldn't be in it, but we'll see how it goes. The S&P popped down today, strong as always, but going back up again now. Goldman Sachs. This morning I bought 2 shares of Goldman Sachs. I'm not selling today because I don't want to get my pattern day trader, because I want to keep my stock lending and my cash investing. What's it called? Swept cash. That's it. I want to earn money on my uninvested cash. So tomorrow I'll sell it. I don't want to own the banks. I could hold it until dividend day. It's only 2, but I'll get the dividends plus the bonus. I will actually see when the dividend is. If it's only in a few days or a week or 2 or whatever, I might hold it. But we'll see. Anyway, I'm up at 1.5%. It's free money. I've made myself $10, $9.84. It was just a bit of fun to make a bit of money for a cup of coffee. So it's achieved that. Virgin Galactic, it didn't go low enough for me. It's popped up a bit, went to 339. I wasn't going to touch it until it went to 310. But there you go. It's great for my long-term position, but my short position, I'm still out of it. Virgin Orbit, Barcoding, Rivian. I bought some Rivian today, and I'm up on it 0.2%. I will trim this and sell some of this tomorrow. I didn't want to do it today, but I'll do it tomorrow on a swing trade. Tesla, we've got the earnings tomorrow. We're reporting the earnings tomorrow night. Join us. This is the earnings for Tesla tomorrow. Where's that gone? Tesla. How on earth has Tesla disappeared off my... That's a bit weird. Tesla is tomorrow. I have no idea how Tesla has disappeared. Oh, there it is. I thought that was a bit weird. There you go. How weird was that? There is Tesla tomorrow night after the earnings. There it is. Join us for that. So we'll be there for Tesla. So between now and then, we are looking to see a little drop. I've not sold anything. I want to be in it when it happens. I want to be in on the stock. I want to add more. I'd like to buy another 5 or 6 shares of Tesla if I can. So we'll see what happens. Anything below 180, 170, I'll buy some. Lucid, you saw my video. I'd like your thoughts on it. Let me read here. PSA for the day trading friends, please be careful holding into earnings overnight. Deep in the money, thank you for that. Ed Nevius, good afternoon. I'd like your thoughts on this. It's only a 5-minute video. Go and watch it and come back. Leave me your thoughts on it. I'd like to know what you think about the text on it. It's I'm doing it on my shorts now. That seems to be going well. I want to see what you think of it on a long form video like that. So let me know your thoughts on that one. It's a lot of hard work to add such a text or almost automated. Is it a lot of work? Yeah, I mean, everything creates another step for me. I mean, I'm in the studio 10 hours plus a day. So yeah, it's all about working efficiently though. It is a lot of work, but I'd like your thoughts on it. There you go. Lucid went all the way down today, all the way down. For me, at 775, it wasn't cheap enough. It's just not worth it. It's not worth it right now. Ed Nevius, thank you very much indeed. Go and check it out. Let me know what you think. Come straight back once you've seen it. All right. Thank you, Ed. Apple going up today. Amazon, nice. McDonald's just runs and runs and runs. 13% up now. Got my one share. It's made me $33. It's great, plus the dividend. Coca-Cola, nice today, up. J&J. It was regarded as disappointing. Sensei Crypto said it was a disappointing earnings. I thought it was good. They beat earnings. Everything is moving forward. I think the only reason why it's not gone up today is because that's what the stock does typically on an earnings day. But also, it's still the uncertainty what's going to happen when the company split. As we all know, markets always overreact upward, overreact downward, and they also don't like uncertainty. So hence they are not happy at the moment. I like it. I see it as an opportunity to accumulate. I added 3 more positions. I had 3 more shares, 161. I could sell and get that money back out, but I don't need to till tomorrow. I'd rather do it tomorrow, but I'm okay with it. So there we go. Good day, really. Google. I'm looking to get back into Google if I can today. I made money on it when it went down to 105.22. It's there now. It's there now. 8 shares. I bought at 105.22 and I sold at 105. Yeah, so now it's a buy now. It's a buy now. Yeah. It's 100. It's there now. Buy. Bum. I need to go into my orders. Let me buy what? Let me buy. Let me have a little look. In my Roth IRA, because I'm showing $1,600 worth of buy orders. Let me clear some away. Investing. Go to my buy orders, history, and clear some out so I can buy Google. All types and orders. I want to clear a few out. Virgin Galactic at 325. That's running up now, so I'll cancel that one. Cancel that one. Let's go back to Google a minute. There we go, 504. What else have I got? Hood, J&J, Amazon, Tesla, VU, Ethereum. There are a few. 20. Hood. Let me have a look at Hood. I think I'd rather, I'll cancel Hood. Today, I want to get Google instead. How much have I got now? 694. Limit buy at 149. Is J&J going to drop to 149? I think it's highly unlikely. Let me cancel that order as well. That gives me $800. Amazon, 88. Let me cancel that order as well. Let me cancel out some orders so I've got more available funds. Tesla, no, going to keep that in because that's for tomorrow. VU 349, just the one. Coca-Cola, just the 3. Okay, there we go. It's not. That's given me a bit of money. That's all I'd buy anyway. So let's have a look. Back to Google again. Buy Google. So my Roth IRA now, we've got 1,195 pending orders. 676. That's okay. Right. Let's go back to Google. Let me have a look at it again. Over the last 3 months, it's risen a bit. 90. Watch, comment, and in between in between two ads. Bloody ads. I love ads. Ads are good. Ads are good. Ads are my friend. Okay, let's have a look over the year. Google. Okay. Okay, buy Google. Yeah. I like it. Strong buy. There we go. We got April 25th next week. Okay. Buy Google. Buy Google. Limit order. Limit price 106. So anything there. Shares. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8. Review. Google purchased 105.15. There we go. I like it here. I like it here. Despite everything that's going on. I like it here. We had that news there. It tailed off, but it's tried to come back up again. I'm okay with it. I'm buying it. So I'm going to own that. I've wanted to get a better position on Google for a while. So that's enough for me right now. Tomorrow when I sell my Goldman Sachs, and I sell 3 shares of J&J, and I sell, what else did I want to sell tomorrow? There was something else. I can't remember what it was. I can't remember what it was now. But anyway, I'll go through later on, and tomorrow I'll be able to clear it away and take some profits. That's the plan anyway. All right. Yeah, Goldman Sachs, what was it? J&J. And there's something else as well. Right, the overall portfolio is coming up. My Roth IRA is coming up. And, yeah, I'm happy with that. Hi, Silver Surfer. Watch Lucid. Hi, everyone. I want to get everyone's opinion. I've just put a video out. It's only 5 minutes long. If you've not watched it, please go and watch it. I'd like your thoughts, please, on the text on the screen. Let me see what anyone's saying about it. Good afternoon, Ed Nevius. Watch Lucid. Hi, everyone. Stephen, what did you think of it with the text on the screen? Watch commented and in between 2 ads, said Ed. Right. Overall portfolio coming up. Let's have a quick look at the overall positions at the minute. Arrival, disaster. Absolute flipping disaster. The S&P's coming up. Goldman Sachs, yeah, I'm going to sell those shares in the morning unless there's a dividend around the corner, unless there's a dividend, you know, any day now or a week or so. I'll have a look. But anyway, I'm going to have a quick look at that. But I tend to sell that. I made myself $10. I don't really want to invest in the banks, not for me. But I did make some money on it, so we'll sell it tomorrow. I'm just going to do it on a swing trade. Okay. Virgin Galactic didn't go low enough for me. Virgin Orbit were out. Rivian. Oh, yes, I bought some Rivian today, and that's also up. Same thing there. I will maybe take some profits there as well. There's my overall position, and the Roth is just down slightly today, 53,180. So we're going up nicely. We've taken some profits. I think we're going to get a little bit of a bounce into the close, and we're going to probably end up at 53.5, which would be great. All we need J&J to come back in a couple of days, and it will. I'm sure of that. So I'm not worried. So yeah, Tesla tomorrow is the earnings. So I've got an order placed for one, but in the morning I will sell in pre-market. In the morning, first thing, I will sell Goldman Sachs, I will sell Rivian, I will sell J&J. If they're up, I think they will be. I will sell them and I'll have it ready for Tesla. But there we go. Now Lucid is trying to break up again, but I'm out of it at the moment on my day position. I've got it in my long position still, but not much. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, just best, most consistent stock I've ever seen. I mean, it's just like straight line. I mean, have you ever seen a chart like that? I mean, it's just straight line, isn't it? Absolutely great. Just can't get McDonald's. It's land, remember. It's not burgers, it's land. And land always gets more expensive over time. Coca-Cola doing well today. J&J just going sideways. Locked up my money, but I don't mind. I don't mind just holding it at all. I'm fine. Google, I just bought some. I'm just down 35 cents on it at the moment. 8 shares of it. I'm okay with that. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy coming back up again. Nice dividends. Enphase, we're looking for a discount to get back in again. Bitcoin up 2.34. Tilray is down 1.4. Let me have a quick look, see if I've got any comments on that video. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on the text on the screen in that video I just put out. I'd like to know what you think of it. Let's have a quick look. How many people have watched it yet? Lucid stock. Lucid trolls and fools, I've called it. Vicky, I'm gonna comment to Vicky later on my comments and give her the link to the video. Say, hey, this was made for you. So that won't wake her up, will it? Anyway, I'll send it. Be fun. Make me laugh. I love it. If you're gonna call me an idiot, then I'm gonna make a video about you. All right, it's all good. Let's have a quick look. 7261, 7262. Yeah, we're rolling around. Let me have a quick look. I'd like to get your thoughts on if you commented here. Let's have a quick look here. Let's check the comments. Good evening. Hi, Craig. How are you? I just put a video out some moments ago, and Mr. Cornwall, I wanted everyone to watch. It's a 5-minute video, but I wanted your opinion on the text on the screen. Mr. Cornwall, good evening. How are you? All right. I'll go through all the comments later. It'll take a bit of a while. There's quite a few. Keaton S. How are you, Keaton S? Lovely to have you here. You think Tesla will go up after earnings? I honestly don't know, is the answer. If it does, great. I'm happy to hold the amount of shares. I'd like more. I've only got 8 shares, 1,478. I would like a bigger position in Tesla, so I am looking to buy a handful of shares, really. If I get anything below at 180, anything around the 170, I will buy a handful of shares of Tesla. 5, 6, 7 shares. Once I've sold my Goldman Sachs, my J&J in the morning, and my other one that I keep forgetting, whatever that was, I will sell it in the morning. Oh, Rivian, that was it. And I will buy it. But yeah, I made money on Goldman, Rivian, and J&J from this morning, and I'm going to sell it in the morning. I'm not doing it tonight because I don't want to be pattern day trading. I'm going to do it in the morning. So hence I'm leaving it overnight. Okay. What's the time frame for BTC going down to 10? Sensei is here. Let's have a little look. We've got a new screen courtesy of Sensei. Ali Tisro has given me a new screen. I absolutely love this. I think this is absolutely great. Look at this. It's a new screen that we've got here. So this is what's up today. XRD up 46%. And we can have a quick zoom in and see XRD Radix. It's ranked number 18. And market cap 1.29, and we can see today it's up 46%. A nice little feature this, 17% on FTX token. Let's zoom in for that one as well, up 17.1, 1.3 on the hour. These are all our crypto bubbles, and we can see what's moving. So what's down the worst today? We can see that CAS is down, KAS down 8.7, and you can see here, Casper down 8.7, down 23.3 on the week, but on the month is up 86.2. I like this. This is a new screen that I got from Ali today. Radix, there you go. That's the one today, up 46% today. Brilliant. And those of you that follow our crypto challenge, you will know which ones we're in. Really, really great. Like all this. These are all the rankings for the crypto. Bitcoin, of course, is at the top. This is our top ranking. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, USDC, Coin. I'm in that one. XRP, we're in that one as well. I made a video on Cardano a couple of days ago. Polygon, I've got Polygon. A lot of these at the top we've got in our crypto challenge. Really, really nice indeed. I like it. What do you think of that then? It's a new little thing on the screen. I like that. And there we go. And we can see what's up on the hour. We can change it. And it's kind of cool, isn't it? XRD, I like how it's displayed. What do you think of that? Anyway, that's our crypto bubbles. And it can give us some good information there. I like that. Thanks, Ali, for that suggestion. Really, really good. Maybe I need some bubble music. When I go to that, I'll play the bubble music. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I need. When I go to that screen, I'll play bubble music. And we'll pop all the bubbles. Be quite fun. Anyway. Hi everyone. If you've just come in and you've not yet seen it, I just put a video out. It's only 5 minutes long. Please go and watch it. There it is in the chat. I'd like your thoughts on it. I haven't got any feedback yet on what you think of the text on the screen. I'd like to know your thoughts. I've had no feedback from it yet, so please let me know what you think. Nice heat map, Ali. I know, it's good, isn't it? It's very visual. I like it. Really good contribution to the show, that is. Hello, Crag. Sensei, could you answer this question for you and O? What's the time frame for BTC to go down to 10 grand? What do you think there, Sensei? I told you all, Radix, there you go, Silver Surfer is talking about Radix, right in the center of the screen, XRD, here it is. As you can see, Radix today, we were just talking about it a few moments ago. This is Silver Surfer's favorite coin by the sound of things. Up on the month, 210%. Down on the year, though. But there you go. There's the chart, and it ranks number 18. Is that 18 out of 45? I'm assuming that that's 18 out of 45, is it? I wonder how they rate it. Oh, probably on market cap, I'd imagine. Probably on market cap. There you go. Very good indeed. So you can see what's moving. At number 18, Radix. Let's have a look. Was it 18? Let me have a look. 18, no. I think it's up 18. Radix, there you go. Now I know what that means. That means it's up 18. It ranks 45th. There you go. In market cap, I would imagine that's what it means. All right, so there you go. Thank you ever so much for that, Ali. Really good visuals. I like it. Paddy is here. How are you? Nice to see you. Hope you're well, Paddy. Lovely to have you here. UNO, FTX, I believe that plucky startup have a chance to make it big. UNO. Ali loves it. It's part of our crypto challenge, by the way. We have it in our crypto challenge. Love crypto bubbles. Been using it a couple of years or more now. Would have mentioned it to you, but thought you already knew about it. Dough, first and last thing I check every day. Exactly. Always mention. You know, there's always new things. There's no way on earth I could know everything that's going on. I mean, it's every day there's something. That's why I've got all you lot. That's why I've got all you. All right, we can predict it. We'll go all the way down to 10,000, expecting a crash in markets in 3 to 6 months. Up 18 spots since sitting at 45. Space Ape, yes, in market cap. I was guessing that's what it was, and I was right. Okay, good. Okay, back to the main positions now. We're down 0.29. Arrival, I've said it's a scammy stock. I made a short video on it earlier. And I don't like it at all. I think it's a 50 times reverse split. That puts Arrival now at 7 cents. So you'd think, I mean, the idea was it was done to keep it on the index. Otherwise, it would have been delisted. But also it's to if you like. Promote the stock as well. Somebody coming in new, it looks good, and I mean, and reality is it's gone down. So it's only 7 cents a share now. I think Arrival is just it's over. I mean, there's no way you can come back from that. Anyway, GS Goldman Sachs today, I'm up on it 1.53. I'll be selling it in the morning. Virgin Galactic, I'm sorry, it's just not enough. Didn't go low enough. If it had gone another 5 or 6 cents, I would have bought a couple of. But it just didn't go low enough for me to really have any interest in it. Rivian, I am up 0.19. I was up more earlier, but because of day trading restrictions, which I don't have, but I'm protecting my uninvested cash and my stock lending, I decided to set tomorrow. I'll get an opportunity to make some money out of that again. It was only a couple of percent anyway. Tesla, that's the big story of the day. We are waiting for it to drop. I've got a buy order at 150, ready to rock and roll. Lucid, awful, going to $6. Sorry, hang on, that's not changing screen, is it? Let me refresh that. Lucid. That's better. There you go. Didn't think it was changing. Lucid went down, tried to pop up, and it's come back down again. I'm not in it right now. My long-term position, yeah, but not my short-term position. Apple, out of it. Sorry, I beg your pardon. I'm up. I'm certainly not out of that. Amazon, up 8.23. Very nice indeed. McDonald's, you know what I think about that. Coca-Cola. J&J going sideways today. Sensei, looks like you were in touch there with the market. The market seemed to agree with you. I thought the earnings was quite good. I think it's all moving in the right direction. So I bought 3 this morning. I am up on them. I can sell them, but I'm going to do it in the morning so I don't get my day trade today. Google, I just bought. I'm down 0.18, down 150. I'd buy more. I'd buy more Google. In the morning, if I don't get any Tesla, and I don't get any, and once I've sold my Goldman Sachs, my Rivian, and my J&J, and if Tesla hasn't done anything great, I'll buy some Google if it continues to drop. I like it. I just think I've got to own more Google, right? For me, I think it's, I just cannot see it going anywhere. Microsoft, down 0.26. Still up 19%. Walmart, Tesco. We'll go back to Bitcoin for now. Let's have a little look. Let's look at our crypto challenge right now. Here is, in fact, I don't want that now, do I? I've got to use something different. Ali, can you put your Discord channel in the chat, please? Can you put your Discord in the chat? I've got your website. I don't want that, do I? Let me take that out. I want your Discord. So if you can do that, I'll share it on the screen and I'll go and look at. I will go and look at my crypto challenge. So I'll get that ready. Let's look at the heat map now. See what's standing out, and it's J&J that's standing out in a negative way. There we go, J&J and Google, but J&J is the worst on the S&P 500 today, and Apple is an XOM, and Nvidia particularly are one of the gainers there today. I like to look at that in the morning. The top companies in America, I like to look at it and see what is down the most. And then, like I did this morning, Goldman Sachs was down 4%, and I thought, right, nothing wrong with Goldman Sachs, let me just buy some. So I did, and I'm up. So that's what I do. I like to look at the heat map in the morning and see what stock is standing out. Anyway, lesson learned. I'm fine, Martin. Good to have you here. Lesson learned, said Keaton S. Let's have a look at our crypto challenge. 1,189. Remember, we've only got about 45% of our money invested, which is about 450. The rest of it is in USDC, earning 4%, and we're up on 450 bucks thereabouts. We're up 189, which is phenomenal. Congratulations, Ali, doing really, really great there with our assets. I can't show you them. Of course, I can show you USDC. And I can show you my dollars, but that's all I can show you. The rest is, of course, part of our crypto challenge, which if you are part of it, you will know exactly. If you want to be part of that, Sensei will put his Discord in the chat in a second. Okay. Okay, moving along. Let's see what's being searched today on our channel. Let's see what everybody's looking for right now. Right at the top, the number one thing now is SPCE. Just put it out an hour ago. It's 461 views already. Virgin Galactic, Lucid, and Bitcoin. Virgin Galactic, as I rank number one, tends to be the thing that gets searched for the most and gets the most views. And thanks to all of you, we're at 7,262 subscribers today, rising all the time, and we've got 26 watching, 16 likes. If you wouldn't mind smashing the like button, that would be really, really nice. We've got 16 likes right now, 30 watching, or 29 watching. If you could smash the like button, it makes a huge difference to my channel. What crypto do you hold? Sorry if you've probably already said this. I can't tell you what's in the crypto challenge because it's run by Ali, and if I tell you, it defeats the object. It's a premium service. Ali every day studies crypto, and every day he will tell us what to buy, and I don't need to read the charts. I don't need to be concerned. It's part of our premium service, so I can't tell you what's in that portfolio. What I can do is tell you I own Bitcoin of my own and some Ethereum, but I can't tell you what's in that crypto challenge portfolio on Coinbase. All right, unless Ali says I can. And the reason for that is sometimes it's too late to buy in, and he'll say, yeah, just tell everybody what's in the list. But right now I can't do that. Okay. Sorry about that, Keaton S. It's a premium part of our service. What I can share with you though is my Bitcoin wallet. This is my ledger. I've only put $500 of Bitcoin in here. I bought it at 15 grand. It's up to 1134. So as you can see, that's why it's up so much. That looks good. And let's come back to the main positions here. A little bit down today. Not much though. The Roth IRA is going down again. What is going down? Amazon. Coinbase. I sold 2 shares of Coinbase today. Made a profit on that. Tilray, Mullen. Yeah, everything. Lucid. Diving again. Yeah, it lasted seconds. Look, it's very, very weak. Vicky, who's famous now for a famous comment, is thinking, oh, maybe Martyn Lucas was right. I don't know. You know, Anyway, the way I decided that Lucid was going nowhere, at least short term, was I did the research in all the used cars that sat on the car lots that no one's buying. No one's buying the used cars now. So it's not looking good, right? Rivian. I was up this morning. Bit of a sell-off now. Goldman Sachs still up on it. But anyway, my Google's given up a bit of the ghost right now. Never mind. On the crypto topic, what does everyone think of PEPE? I don't know. The person to ask Thomas is Sensei Crypto. He takes care of all our crypto here. I leave all those questions to Sensei. Gotcha. Fair enough. No problem. I only hold crypto, not stocks and shares. Hence why it'd be good for me to learn. Well, what we do is the crypto challenge is Ali literally, he never sleeps. I mean, I call him in the UK at midnight and he's still up. I'm going, how the hell are you awake? He's always awake, studying crypto. So what he does is he runs our crypto challenge and he studies it all day long and he provides you a great service and it works really, really well. He's got like, is it 90 members now to his Discord channel. It's really good. And I'm on the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge, and all I put in was $1,000, and I've only invested 450, and I'm up. Well, you can see nearly $200. So I've done really, really well on it, and it's great. All the expertise from Ali, Crypto Sensei. Okay. Hey, the crazy Rickon. Hey, Martin. Hope you're doing good. I am doing well. Thank you. I've got one question. How much is Sensei Premium? And sorry for the English. Sensei, a lot of people are asking after you today about your crypto challenge. With me, you get a lifetime discount. Yes, he's here. Lots of requests for your service. Okay. Well, this is how it works. If you become a member of mine, you get a lifetime discount and you'll always pay less. And once you're a member of mine, my membership is virtually free with the discount that you get from Sensei. So I think everybody who's done it is a member of mine. So there's my invitation to become my member. I'm only a couple of bucks a month for the bronze membership, and that gives you a lifetime discount to Ali services. And remember, my membership comes with 20 times what you get back. Everybody will tell you that's why everyone is a member of my channel. 95% of my live viewers are members. It's the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube, according to YouTube. I'm very proud of that. So anyway, there's my membership. If you go to my Discord, I will upgrade you as a member, and you will see Sensei's Ali Tisro's challenge, his Discord channel, and all the information's in there. There's my Discord right there. Okay, let's do that. Thomas, what do you want to do? You said let's do that. What is that? In my experience, investments in to the uni initiated are like a bar of soap. The more you touch them, the more they disappear. That's good. I like that. Like the smash button, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Brickmark, our Lego man. Excellent. Now then, if you just come in, I'd like your thoughts. I put a video out, a 5-minute video, where for the very first time, I've got some text on the screen throughout the video, and I want to know your thoughts. There you go. I posted 3 times. Let me share with you Ali's services for you so you can see it here. Here is my Discord. And if you come to Discord, my Discord, this is what you'll see, and I'll give you a little teaser for Ali's services. There's my Discord. There you go. And this is my Discord here. And once you become a member, because you don't see the exclusive channels until you become a member, okay? It's members-only perks. That way we don't have scammers and bots and stuff like that. It's only a couple of bucks, so, you know, there it is. Welcome all. You come in here, and I will see you. Now, down the bottom of our channel, you'll see our members' channels, and you'll see Ali Tisro's tips. There you go. That's Sensei. And in there, you will see a little all about his Discord and all the rest of it. And I'm going to give you a little taster of what he offers you, all right? So let me go to it now. Ali Tisrose T's channel. Let's have a little look. Here we go. I've not been in here for a while, in the T's channel anyway. Where have you moved your... There it is, this T's channel. Welcome, T's. Here we go. Here we go. Right. This is the sort of thing that Ali does. So he spends all his days, got nothing better to do, and do charts like this. You can see these are all the charts. This is what he's doing for you all day long, studying every chart and every crypto, and he'll let you know. And then he sends out an alert, and he'll say, buy this one, buy that one, sell this one, sell that one. And that's what I do. I don't have to think about my crypto, and I'm consistently making money. We've got two challenges, the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge and $7,000 to $100,000 challenge. And so I'm on the 1,000. I'm very conservative, but some of you are on the 7,000 to 10,000. Anyway, Thomas, PEPE, when Sensei comes in, he will answer that for you. That's not my field of expertise. I'm presuming that's a crypto asset, and I will get Ali to answer that when he comes in. Buy the Baba dip here. I bought, and I'm not really a fan of Chinese stocks. I prefer Amazon all day long. I don't like the manipulation of Chinese stocks. That's not really for me. Anyway, let's carry on for a minute. Let's see if Sensei comes in. I think he's here, but on mute. I'll put "we need you." Let's see if he comes in. Okay. Arrival. S&P. 10 minutes to go. Goldman Sachs continually rising all day long. I'm up $12 now. I'll be selling that in the morning if I can. Oh, Virgin Galactic have a nice little bounce. It's not enough for me though. I didn't buy it this morning down here. It would have been 2, 3, 4%. Yeah, it would have been quite good. I would have made a bit of money on that, but I decided not to. I've bought other things instead. Rivian, going to sell that later. Tesla, anything below 180, we want to get it. Lucid, waste of time right now. Amazon, McDonald's. Amazon is good too. Yeah, I prefer Amazon. For me, it's Amazon all the way. J&J, just been going sideways all day. All day. But it's the reaction after the earnings. You'll see it go up tomorrow. Hey, Martin, hope you're always well. Space is popping up a bit into the close. Yes, it is. No reason for it, though. Just the way these things go. Let me bring up to date over here. J&J. Google, just bought some. Oh, I'm making money now. Hey, nice. There we go. Just bought 8 shares of it. I scalped it the other day, took some profit from it, and we're doing it again. Until it goes lower, I will keep scalp trading it because it's very expensive at the moment. And with the worry of Samsung, we don't know what's going to happen. But it's lower than I paid for it yesterday, and I made money on that. So, you know, I might keep it at this and then just add. I did want to get back into it. Lewis, how are you? Lewis, I just made a video. It's a 5-minute video. If you could go and watch it, let me know. I'd like your thoughts on it. It's the first time I put text on a screen in a video, and I'd like your thoughts on it. There it is. Okay. All right, music fans of mine. Thank you ever so much. Got an update. It's the one what we've been waiting for. The music channel now is 3,300. Yes. If you've not yet part of it, I need to get to 4,000 watch hours. 3,300. So there we go. Help me out. Just another 700 hours to go, and we're back to 4,000. Brilliant. And then I can start making more videos again. Excellent. How do you decide when a stock is over or undervalued? Well, the stock price doesn't tell you anything. I'm not interested in the stock price. I'm interested in the company. How do I know? I study the balance sheet. I look at the company, where I see it going in the future. I look at the dividend payments. There's a lot to consider, UNO. Nice for the music channel. Yeah, 3,300. Get in. It's we're nearly there. 700 hours to go. So I need all of you to help me out if you can. 3,300. Very, very good. Thank you very much, everybody. Can't thank you enough. 3,300. Brilliant. So, Meta. Rio Tinto, nice little pump. I watched your concert with the Texan ladies over the weekend. Oh, yeah, that was a fundraiser. Oh, thank you very much for tapping the 100%. Whoever that is, thank you. Yeah, that was a last-minute thing, and I really enjoyed it. It's very rare that I do live gigs. Very rare indeed. It was a last minute. That's the only gig I've got all year. I mean, like, it's really, really rare. So I thought I'd put it on YouTube. And thank you very much for tuning in. Appreciate it. So there you go. If you've not yet watched my music channel, please do. And you can see. Oh, it's Mike doing it. Thank you, Mike. You can see when I did The Lion King and Sir Elton John's jacket. There you go. In theatre. Jesus Christ Superstar. I sang that for the ladies the other day. Phantom of the Opera, which is finished now. I performed as a Phantom. There's the Phantom. My Vegas showgirls. Elton John stuff, Rocket Man, 4th of July. I mean, I do all sorts of stuff. Okay. Anyway, been looping for the last few days. Thank you so much indeed, Britmark. Right, we're getting a bounce into the close. Quite considerably as well on my main account. Funny seeing you singing, but not on the piano. Yeah, I couldn't. They didn't pay me enough to carry my piano on this one. So I just turned up and sang a few songs. It was easy. U and O. Some use Graham formula, some hedges, etc. for price targets. One of Buffett's tools. Yeah. There's many ways. And some people just buy great companies and hold them for life and just live on dividends and never sell them. Warren Buffett never sells Coke. He never sells Apple, Johnson & Johnson. These sort of companies you just own forever. They're not going anywhere. You know, there's certain companies that are never, ever going anywhere. Anyway. There you go. Arrival. The Roth IRA is still struggling. That's because of J&J. It's not going to go up until J&J moves. Goldman Sachs, the bank's looking good. How long have you been in the United States? About 7 years now. Thank you, Mike. I know it's Mike tapping the likes. If I tell you what, so I know who you are. The likes, the 100% is Mike. 100% is Mike. All right. Who else have we got? Who else wants to do it? Ed Nevius, can you do the hearts? You're always the heart man. You do the hearts. And who should we do? Britt Mark or Andrew Grady do the smiley faces. There you go. So Britt Mark and Andrew Grady, the Silver Surfer, smiley faces. Mike, do the 100%, and Ed Nevius, do the hearts. Let me see it all. Let me see it fly up. Let me have a look. Okay, on it. There you go. Look, Ed Nevius. You got to do the hearts. There come the hearts. That's Ed Nevius. The hearts is Ed Nevius. I like that. The 100% is Mike. The smiley faces is Silver Surfer and Britmark. I love it. We should give everybody their own so we know who it is. Should have like your name pop up, shouldn't it, in a little bubble? Anyway. Oh, Virgin Galactic. Hello. Hello. Look at that. That's a nice little bounce. That's very nice indeed. Now, that's not affecting, that is affecting my main portfolio. That's why my main portfolio is going up. But I didn't buy it on the dip this morning. So that's going up nicely. But my Roth IRA, I didn't touch it. It didn't go low enough. But that's good. I like it. 3%, that's nice. Going into the close. So there we go. The 100% are Mike. The love hearts are Ed Nevius. The smiley faces is Brickmark and the Silver Surfer. I love it. Brilliant. Virgin Galactic is moving after hours tonight. There we go. Rivian. Tesla. Earnings tomorrow night. Who's joined me for that? I was doing the party one. Brickmark's on the party one. Okay, Brickmark's the party one. The confetti. And Silver Surfer is the smiley faces. Let's see who's winning. Looks like Mike and Ed Nevius. Brickmark is coming in. Brickmark is coming up now with all the I wonder if I can have a go. Does it let me do it? I'll be something else. What can I be? Let me have a look. Let me have a look. Can I be in this? Yeah, I can. Oh, I can be the confused face. There you go. I'm the confused face. So any confused faces, there you go. There's me. There's me, the confused face. The Love Arts is Ed Nevius. The 100% is Mike. The confetti is Britmark. The smiling faces is Silver Surfer. I want to see if it makes a difference if YouTube share it out. We've got 46 watching, so it might be. It's going up. We're at 46. So you never know. It might do something. I'm sure it does. That's why it's there. That's what it's there for. Everyone's going, bloody hell, my finger's going to fall off. The Virgin Orbit video of yours I mentioned to you before still isn't loading on your channel. If you're not aware, unless it's purely just for me. Virgin Orbit video. Which one? Can you send me the link, Keaton S, on Discord? And I will check it. I've got a whole playlist of Virgin Orbit videos, so I don't know which one. If you send me the link, I will go and check it. Thank you very much. And thanks for reminding me. I know you mentioned it the other day. Let's have a look now. See where we are. Yeah, 49 watching. It's going up. It does seem to be making a difference. Thank you, guys. You're thinking, I can't do this every day. Anyway, where are we? 3 minutes to go. Tesla in the morning. 50 like. Look at that. 50 watching. It definitely is. This is really good for a closing bell. 50 watching. There we go. If you've just tuned in, thank you very much indeed. We're talking about Arrival is now, I call it a junk stock, a scam stock, awful. The S&P is rising into the close. Virgin Galactic is also going up into the close as well. My Roth IRA is still going down for J&J, but that's fine. It's expected on the day of the earnings. There we go. Virgin Galactic popped up and it's back down again. So there you go. I didn't buy it because I just didn't feel strong enough about it. Anyway, Keaton S, the video definitely isn't just for you. Yeah, it's just for you. What he means by that is he's the only one who can't see it. Space, 3.2%. Space, what the? Yeah, it's gone up a little bit. Virgin Galactic is rising now like crazy. It's not rising now like crazy. Stefan Papovich, it really isn't, and it's coming straight back down again. I didn't buy it on the scalp this morning. There was no point. There's no flight. There's people desperate to make money from it. They're buying it and dumping it as fast as they're buying it. I didn't buy it. It didn't go to $3. That's my target all the time. I've got it in my long-term position, but I didn't buy on the scalp. That is not a pump. If it was flying, if there was great news with Virgin Galactic, it would go up 20%. This is nothing. After a while, you'll get to realize that that is nothing at all, and it's very, very weak. The moment it went up, it was dumped, which is what I would have done if I'd have bought it at 3, but it didn't go low enough for me. There we go. It's going straight back down again. Scalpers are taking their money straight back out. And that's expected. Virgin Orbit, barcoding now. 51 watching. Welcome, everybody. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. We go live up to 10 hours a day. I'd love to hear from you. Did Space do a test flight yesterday? Yes, they did. And I put a video out. Did you not see it? Here's my video yesterday. I talked all about the glide flight, the glide test yesterday. Past live streams. If you scroll down, past live streams, there it is, yesterday. Virgin Galactic, 713 views already. Sorry about that. I got pressed the wrong button there. But yes, it was streaming yesterday. Bell time, bell time. I missed the bell. I missed the bell. I was busy talking to Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Martin. You should all blame him. It was his fault. I was listening. I was talking to him. So anyway, sorry about that. Too late. I missed the bell. Okay. I just popped that link in your Discord. Thank you, Keaton S. Thank you so much indeed. I will take a look. Thank you very much. So, the overall portfolio is starting to come up now. It didn't go low enough today for Virgin Galactic. Nope. There it is. It's coming up. I've got new all-time highs again today, despite all of this. 53,181. Took some profits, more profit in the morning. Yeah, Lewis, it's your fault. I blame you. If I get something wrong, I just blame you, all right? So the Roth IRA is going down. Let's have a quick look. Let's see what is going down right now. It's probably J&J, I'd imagine. That's the biggest part of my Roth right now. Arrival, junk stock now. Dead, completely dead. The S&P. That's okay. Goldman Sachs. I'll sell it in the morning. Virgin Galactic, straight back down again. That's why I didn't buy it this time. I told everybody it wasn't right to buy it yet. Somebody got excited and then they dumped it. So just be careful. You are just transferring from one bag holder to another. That's not investing. That's scalp trading. I do it. We all do it. But be careful when you do it. Rivian. I'm up on it. I bought it this morning. Tesla. Here we go. Here comes. This is what we want. This is what we want. Tesla, this is what it's all about. Yes, yes, yes. Down she goes. This is great. This is what we want. And J&J, I am up from this morning, though. Hassan, I bought it 161 this morning. It'll recover over the next few days when the J&J earnings settles. It was a good earnings. They were up. It wasn't a massive beat, but it was a bigger beat since 2021. The overall markets have overreacted, as they all do. And remember, J&J is an old man stock. It's a source of funds. It's a source of funds. People who own J&J bought it a very long time ago and have millions of shares. I know people that have millions of shares. And what are they doing? They'll be buying Tesla in the morning. All right, so being sold off now, so get ready. I want to buy some Tesla. Down she goes. Can't keep tapping for 10 hours a day. I don't see why not, Brickmark. I don't see why not. Netflix reporting earnings right now. Yeah, we're not covering Netflix tonight, I'm afraid. We're not covering Netflix. Thank you, Sammy, for letting me know, though. We covered it before, but we're not covering it today. We're covering Tesla after hours tomorrow. These are what we're covering. We're covering Tesla. We are covering Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Google. We're covering loads and loads and loads. We're going to be very busy on the channel. All right? Okay. Now then, if those of you want to help me with my music channel, please pick a playlist, let it run. I'm trying to get to 4,000 watch hours, and thanks to you guys, we're at 3,300. 700 to go. There's my music channel. Please do help me out. It'd be very, very much appreciated. Check the chart, though. It's down to 10% in the after hours. Netflix, okay, will do. Sammy, are you a member? Yes, you are. Then I will check it for you. I've said Netflix. I'm a customer. I'm not a buyer. And the reason why is it doesn't do anything proprietary. I don't like Netflix. It can be replaced by anyone. Worst earnings ever. They always do it on their YouTube channel. Their earnings is just a boys' club where they sit around and pat each other on the back, never giving any information. They stream it on their YouTube channel to make some money. It's the worst. I got tired of doing Netflix earnings. It was the worst earnings presentation. There you go. Look at that, down 10%. It's rubbish. It's rubbish. A great service, but rubbish. Looks like 286. Did they miss? Can anyone tell me, did they miss? I might buy one. I might buy one for a scalp trade. I like when that does that. I bet you there's opportunity to make some money from that one stock, from that a month ago. There is an opportunity to make some money from that. Still going down though. Did anyone know if they missed on earnings? Because that is an opportunity to make some money. $303. I'll pay $303. I'll buy one. I don't like the company, but I'll buy one. Whoops, 303. Hang on. 307. There you go. I bought one at 306.49. I'll just sell it. I'll just sell it in the morning. There we go. It's going straight back up. 308. 308. Is anyone buying Netflix? I just bought one share. I don't like the company at all, but when a company does that, it's always worth. I want to thank Sammy for that. Sammy, thanks for letting me know about that. Terrific. I'll sell that. That'll pop back up again, even though I don't like the company at all. I've got no problem with buying it down there. Yeah, that's all right. I'll take 10% on that in the morning. I think. We'll see what happens. I'm up 0.34. Sammy, thank you ever so much for alerting me to that. J&J do the Johnson extension devices right. There'll always be a market for that. J&J is solid. One of the best companies you can ever own. No, it's one of my biggest. It's like 40% of my Roth IRA. Look at that. Nice. Thank you very much, UNO. You're too late if it's down like 12% a minute ago. I'm not too late. I bought it. Arnold the Palmer. I'm not too late. I bought one. I have bought it. So I'm up 1.28. Tapped off screen. LOL. 7 minutes of tapping. Hope you're happy. Wife would be. I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one. Netflix. Yep, I just bought one. Sammy, beat earnings per share estimate but missed on sales projection. Sammy, thank you so much indeed, mate. I owe you a pint. Thank you very much indeed. I'm up 1.79. I'm not selling it straight away because of my day trade, but I'll sell it in the morning. Thank you for that. I wasn't even paying any attention to it. Results grew revenue 4% year on year, plus 8% on a foreign exchange, consistent with our beginning. That's great. Overreaction again. Solid, pun intended. Brilliant. Thank you, Sammy, for that top tip. Did everyone do that? Netflix down 10% and they beat on earnings. Great reaction. Woohoo! I've made $8 now, 260. It's look great. Took it down. Sorry, a bit. Don't worry, Ed. It's funny. I like it. Look at that. Netflix. Thank you, Sammy. Now I will sell that in the morning. I could sell it now, but I don't want to. If we look at the advanced chart just for a minute, let's have a look. Yeah, look. Oversold. You can't see it. Look, it fell off a cliff. Oversold at that price. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. If we put the candles on, you can see exactly what we're talking about. There you go. Is it coming straight back up now? Whoops, that's the 1 day. Sorry. Oops. There you go. There it is. And the buyers are coming back in now. Very nice. Thank you, Sammy. Martin, you've been done buying Netflix at 307 baht. I get my Yeah, you're right. So do I. In fact, I get mine for free, UNO, because I'm with T-Mobile and I get free Netflix. Stick that in your pipe and smoke it. There you go. You thought you were being clever then, didn't you? You thought you were being clever then for a minute. Anyway. Who bought Netflix? Let me do a little poll. Who took Sammy's tip? I'm going to call it Sammy's tip because he did mention it. Who took Sam's tip? Bought Netflix down 10%. Anyone buy one? I just bought one. Always have money on hand for stuff like that. Netflix is like playing Russian roulette. That's why I only bought one. Oh. I could sell it now if I wanted to be pattern day trading, but I don't. I'll say it tomorrow. Very, very good. Okay, where are we? Let's bring everybody up to date. I wanted to get everyone's opinion, and yet, as yet, I haven't got anyone's opinion. I wanted to know, this little 5-minute video, what do you think of the text on the screen? Bloody hell, can't someone tell me? How many times have I got to ask you? I've asked you like 5 times now. Go and watch it. It's 5 minutes. Come back. Please. I should say please, really, shouldn't I? I should say please, if I'm honest. Who bought Netflix? That's like the Amazon. That's like the Amazon trade. That is. I like it. Make sure that you use VPN when you buy Netflix. Why? Why do you need VPN? Just slows you down. S&P. Goldman Sachs. Sell fast. I can't sell it today. I can, but I'm choosing not to. They beat on earnings. It's okay. It's fine. I'll sell it. I'll get out of that. That's not a problem. Tesla. What's my buying power now? My buying power is pending orders 676. Yeah, I've got lots of stuff to sell in the morning to get all my money back out. I've spent all my money. Spent it all. I'm going mad, going crazy. That's what the money's there to do. It doesn't do anything just by holding it, does it? Okay. You can't get it cheap. You can get it cheap with a VPN if you say you're in India. What do you like, UNO? What do you like? Oh, man. No, I'll hold it. It's okay. I don't mind holding one. And I'll sell it tomorrow. Let me just see if I can actually sell it now. It will probably come up as my pattern day trade. Let's have a look. In the after hours, I don't know if it counts in the after hours. Let's have a look. Sell Netflix. A limit order. Absolutely right. So we want to sell it at 320. $322. One share. Let's see. I'll just put it 320. I bought it for 306. So I'm doing great. 320. Let's just see if I can get it through. Good for the day. I don't know if pattern day trading is going to work in the after hours, so I'll have a little look. 320. It might say pattern day trading. There you go. Pattern day trading. See, I can do it in the morning, and I don't have pattern day trading. It's not an issue. I've got more than 25,000. I can trade 1,000,000 times a day, but I want to keep my stock lending and I want to keep my uninvested cash. And the moment you turn that off and get flagged, you will for 3 months you can't get uninvested cash, and you also can't do stock lending. So I don't mind waiting until tomorrow. It doesn't matter. I've got lots of things to sell tomorrow like that. So I'm just going to leave it. And by tomorrow, it might be up higher anyway. So it doesn't matter. You can get it. That's a tasty trade. Hold it for a couple of hours at least. It will count as a day trade. Yeah, it will. I just tried doing it, Sammy. It didn't work. I will do it tomorrow. We'll do it tomorrow. All right. There you go. Netflix. Excellent stuff. Let me refresh the screen and look at the numbers. See if it's posted yet onto the Robinhood account. Day trader of the day. Let's do it right now. Let's do it right now. Day trader of the day. Let's have a little look. Let's scroll down for Netflix. Oh, there you go. There's their earnings. Estimated per share, 286. And it was actually 288. So they beat on earnings. But you know, I mean, at the end of the day, they beat. And what you got to look at is look at the turnaround. Look at the turnaround from last quarter. That's okay. They might get a bit of beat up for that, but remember the way expectations work. That's not Netflix saying they're going to earn that. They went from there to there. They went from whatever that was, around the 126 to 288, right? That's a significant gain. And remember, the analyst said that's what we expect them to earn. That's not them saying it. It's not Netflix saying we're going to earn this, and when they don't, they disappoint their shareholders. That is what the analyst said, and they beat what the analyst said. So in my book, that is good. Okay, I think a 10% sell is a massive overreaction. It's a massive overreaction. It's not great. They didn't smash the earnings, but the economic climate is pretty difficult right now, and they beat it. But most importantly, they came from an extremely disappointing earnings last quarter. So to me, that is a major win. So to be oversold by 10% is just what everyone does. You dump it and you buy it back again. So I bought in. Because of Sammy, I had no idea about it. I wasn't even following it. So thanks to Sammy, I've made myself $16 on one share at the moment. And even if it goes back down in the morning a little bit, I'll hold it and eventually I'll get out of that. That's not a problem. And anyway, tomorrow we're covering the Tesla earnings. Day trader of the day. For the noobs amongst us, what's a pattern day trader? Okay, basically your brokerage tries to protect you from it's regarded as gambling. It's done by the SEC to control people's, like a habit. All right, you're supposed to be investing, not gambling and all the rest of it. So to protect you, it's called pattern day trading. Depending on your brokerage, will depend on how many trades you can have a week. I forget the exact number now. It tells you in your brokerage. It's something like 5 day trades. And a day trade is the same stock on the day, buying and selling the same stock on the day. And it allows you so many in a set, like a 7-day period. Now then, once you've got more than 25,000 in your brokerage, you can trade 1,000,000 times a day, infinite. No one cares. You do what you want. But when you have less than 25,000, you're not allowed to. So I can turn off pattern day protection, and I can trade 1,000,000 times a day. The reason why I've turned it on is because I don't want the pattern day trading flag, and it's not a bad thing. It's just the regulations, that's all. If I get a pattern day flag, even though I've got over 25,000, I can trade unlimited, right? If I get a flag on me, which doesn't matter if you've got over 25,000, you just carry on. But if I get a flag now, it means I can't earn money on stock lending, and I can't earn money on uninvested cash. So I want to be able to earn money on stock lending. I want to be able to earn money on uninvested cash, so I can leave it. Now, at the end of the day, I've still got plenty of day trade allowance anyway, and quite honestly, most of the time, if you trade the next day, a swing trade, that's what it's called, or a few days later, very often you can make more money anyway. So for me, it's worth respecting the law. I could turn it off right now because I've got 25 grand. I could turn off the pattern day trade protection, and I could sell this and make $15 right now, which is 4.9%. I could do that, but if I do that, that's it. It'll flag as a pattern day trade, and my uninvested cash will stop, and my stock lending will stop, and I don't want to do that. I like it. And to be quite honest with you, I'll make that sort of money tomorrow or next week or whatever. Tomorrow, I've got like about 5 stocks to sell. I've got Netflix to sell, J&J to sell, Goldman Sachs to sell, Rivian to sell, and they're all up, and I think most of them will be, and if they're not, I'll just wait and whatever. But I think Netflix will do all right. Will it be as high as it is now? I have no idea. But anyway, that's how it works. And why is it saying 288 a share instead of 288? Where is it saying 288? Where are you seeing 288? Why is it saying 288 a share instead of 288? 288, that's the earnings. This is the earnings, the share, the share value, the earnings, the profit. 288 a share. They estimate it to earn 286 a share, and it's earning $2.88 a share. That's not the share price. That's the profit. Okay. That's what the value of the share, the profit has gone up by. Okay, when they value the company. It's 3 and 5 days cash account. It's endless, but cash needs to be clear. That's right. People in Canada can trade the US stock market without the pattern day trader rule. Cash accounts rotate the cash in thirds if you like. If you're above 25, no worries. I am above 25, like I just explained. I can trade as many times as I like, but I will get the penalty of the uninvested cash and the stock lending. Brill, thanks for the explanation. You're very, very welcome. Gotcha. Thanks. Everybody learning, right? We're all learning. Okay. Let's rock and roll. Let's get out of here. So, there's my position now. I'm down 0.19. Let's do day trader of the day. Netflix is on my Roth. It's up. I'm up on it. Arrival, rubbish. The S&P is up. Goldman Sachs is up. I'm up 1.53%. I'll sell it in the morning. Virgin Galactic up, but it's straight back down again, so that's why I didn't do it. Obvious, really. Rivian, I am down on it now, but not to worry. I'll either buy some more if it goes down to 9. Eventually, I'll scalp my way out of that. That's not a worries, really. Tesla, I've got a buy order at 150. I'm going to load the boat. I've got a very small boat. It's more of a dinghy. When I say load the boat, I get sarcastic comments on YouTube going, load the boat. It's only buying 5 shares. Well, 5 shares to somebody is $1 million. You know what I'm saying? Just because you're a gazillionaire, but you're probably not, because you're just giving me silly comments. People with real money don't tend to do silly comments on YouTube. So maybe you have a dinghy like me as well. Anyway, I have a little dinghy, and I call it my my yacht, my cruise liner, my ship. I'm going to load my ship in the morning with Tesla shares. If it goes below 170 or 150, I'll be buying about 5 to 10. I'll be really loading my ship, my little dinghy. There you go. So there you go. Get ready to start laughing at me for that comment. If anyone does get flagged, you have one good faith and need to call the broker. That's right. And that's what I did. They will forgive you only once. Yes, they did. My broker let me off last week, and that's when I turned it on. Anyway, I'm now making sure I don't fall into that realm anymore. J&J just going sideways, up. I mean, even though it's not up, it's technically up in the after hours. Google still going down 0.37. I'll just buy more if it continues to go down, to be honest with you. Walmart, Tesco. That's me done. Right, day trader of the day. A dinghy where I'm from means to ignore some... Oh, does it? A dinghy is an inflatable boat. It's a little blow-up ring. I've got a little play ring. That's what I call my yacht. Okay. Do you jump off your yacht and do some water down? Oh, yeah, very often. Very often, Brickmark. Okay, here we go. Day trader of the day. I am down. Where are we today? Down 0.19%. All right, give you a minute. When the first person posts, Roth IRA is going up. So is my main account. Looking good. All right, give you a minute. Looking good. Okay. Here we go. 1 minute on the clock when you start posting. Let's do it right now. Here we go. I'm down 0.19. Brickmark is up 1.17. That beats me. Hassan has come in up 3%. Very nice indeed. But only members can win it. You can't win it, I'm afraid, today. Become a member of our channel. Oh, yes. You want to become a member, right? Don't miss out. So, Mark is the winner so far. 20 seconds to go. Congratulations, though, Hassan. Very nice score. My portfolio is coming up now all across the board. Nice little rally now into the after hours. Very nice. Netflix is going up. Very nice indeed. Sammy, I can't thank you enough for this one. You done me the trade of the day. Any more advances? Is everyone behind the stream? What's going on? What's going on? Arrival. Goldman Sachs. Hello from Korea. Hello from Korea. Time's up. Why is nobody posting their scores today? I think everyone's behind today. I don't know why everyone's behind. Click the live button and make sure that you're up to date. Tesla, EV selling off for the morning. Ooh, lovely. That's what you want. That's what you want. You want Tesla to go down so you can pick up some stocks under 170. That's what you want. That's exactly what I want. Can't wait. I'm up on it 8%, but I want it to go to 170. I want to buy another 5 shares. So, Brickmark, I'm going to give it to you. I don't know where everybody is. Everyone's a bit quiet today for some reason. Thank you very much indeed for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. Excellent stuff. And give him the sound effects. Oh, yeah. There you go, Hassan. Very nice indeed. Right, I'm going to get out of here. Can everyone please go and check out this video? It's just a 5-minute video. Please all watch it, leave a comment. But I'd like to know what you think of the text on the screen. What do you think about it? Virgin Orbit price, ouch. Yes. Virgin Orbit. It's all over. It's all over. Vorb Q. There we go. It's all over. Thank you. There we go. The Roth IRA. Everything's now coming up. I can't wait for tomorrow. I'm going to have so much money tomorrow because I've got 4 or 5 different stocks I'm going to sell in the morning. I can do it when I wake up. Going to sell 4 or 5 things. There we go. There's my Roth IRA. That's coming up too. The overall balance now 53,171. Excellent stuff. So in the morning, I'll be selling Goldman Sachs, which is up. I'm at 1.53. Rivian, I can't sell yet. That's just gone down. Google, I'd like to trim. That's gone down very slightly. And of course, Netflix, thanks to Sammy, is up 6.83. So I'll be selling that in the morning. Bloody marvellous. Hopefully. In the morning I'll wake up and it's all gone down and it'll all be like, ugh. Anyway, never mind. End screen, here we go. See you all back in the morning. I think we had any credits tonight. Did we have any credits? Did we get any super chats? I don't think we did. Nothing going on. Bring in the credits. Roll the credits. Here we go. Stars of the show. Subscribers. Kenneth Garrettson. Remember, these are just the public subscribers. Thank you very much indeed. That's it from me. All I've got to say now, as always, is get ready, prepare for tomorrow morning. We're back tomorrow morning and we've got Tesla after hours. Do you wake up in the middle of the night and check your portfolio? No, I used to. I don't do that anymore. I learned that lesson. Martyn, do you have a Malaysian translation? Yes. Remind me next time. What happens to the rival price? I'll discuss it all in the morning. Take care of yourselves, your money, your crypto, and each other. See you in the morning. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's broken. It's broken. Press the screen. Why aren't you going off? I'll make it go off. Here it goes.